I help people accomplish the impossible. Ever think to yourself after viewing a great performer, I could never do that? Well, most likely, with the right training, yes, you can. Gain confidence. Gaining control of your body and using muscles that you don't normally use during exercise helps to increase serotonin levels, which helps you to feel good. You will also be more comfortable with using your body, no matter your body type, size, or age. I help people learn facets of belly dance. By offering educational courses, students learn more than just a cardio workout. Students learn how to safely execute dance steps, learn choreography, cultural context, costuming, confidence building, teamwork, how to become ingrained in the local belly dance community, how to book gigs and find performance opportunity, and the list goes on.
A great belly dance teacher doesn't just teach you how to do her choreography. She teaches you how to create your own dance.
A great dance teacher doesn't just teach you how to do their choreography. They teach you enough so that you can create your own performance art or piece of work. And let me show you what I've done with my students. The awards in blue were my personal awards, and the ones in red are awards that my group attained either as a collective or individually. I am proud of what my students have accomplished throughout the years. All but one of these solos were created by the dancer herself. It's important to find an instructor who will encourage you and help you to create and learn for yourself.